bread they don't taste amazing.
Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making mini bread shawarma pocket. So as you can see in this video, we measure 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we are going to go in with active yeast and a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar. Then after that we are going to mix and combine together. Then after enough mixing, the next thing we are going to go in with is warm water. Add the warm water and mix and combine together until it is well mixed, nice and okay. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you like, follow, share and also drop your comment and subscribe on my YouTube channel at Lulu's Kitchen, and also follow me on my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen. So after enough mixing, make sure it is well mixed, nice, soft and okay. This is the consistency you are looking for. Make sure it is well nice, not that too hard and not that too soft. Then we are going to keep it in our bowl and we are going to cover it with our kitchen wrap, a kitchen towel, and we are going to put it and allow it to rest. Bring it out and we are going to deframe the dough. After deframing it, we are going to transfer it into our wall surface. Transfer it into your wall surface. Then the next thing you have to do is to mix it a little bit. After mixing it, you have to grab your dough cutter. Then you are going to be dividing it into tiny pieces, just the way you see me doing it in this video. After cutting it, you are going to take one of the dough and you are going to mold it. Then after molding it, you are going to make sure that you level it like this. Make sure it is a bit flatter. Then we are going to add warm milk into our bowl and we are going to be dipping them inside the warm milk, and we are going to be using this bread shea seed and scrub on top, just the way you are scrubbing bread on top of your mixer. So after that, repeat the same process again until you are done with adding the shea seed inside. So guys, this bread I've already make it before. It's on my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, but I did not start from the scratch. I make it with a already prepared stricing bread, and it came out so amazing. As a baker and as a caterer or as a Lulu's Kitchen that I am, so I have to try it. I have to start it afresh. I have to use my hand to create it by myself. So guys, after repeating the same process, you are going to grab another one and you are going to roll it a little bit and you are going to divide it like this. Guys, me try this mini shawarma bread. It tastes so amazing. It was so simple to make, and it was so amazing, more simple than the other stricing one. So after that, our oil was already on the gas hot, so we are going to dip one inside and we are going to be flipping the oil on top until it pop up. After popping up, you are going to turn the other side, begin to flip the oil on top, and you are going to fry it at the both side. It's ready. Then the next thing is to take it out and drain out the oil, put it in your bowl and make sure you have some parchment kitchen paper there so that you can be able to soak out the excess oil. Then we are going to repeat the same process. But that time you have to make sure, because the oil was already hot, so you have to make sure that the gas is low so that it will not soak excess oil. So I'm going to be frying it the second time, and so that you guys can all see it. This bread shawarma pocket bread tastes so amazing. I'm not kidding. I give this shawarma chicken bread 10/10. So it was so simple to make. So as you can see, it's ready. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to set it aside. It was so easy to make, guys, and it was so yummy, guys. When my husband tastes this food there, he said that you have to start this business because it was so sweet. So the salad is ready, the cream salad is ready, then the carrot is ready, and the chicken is also ready. So we are going to be adding everything into the salad that is already prepared. The carrot, we add it together, and the cream, we are going to add it together. After adding all those vegetables, then we are going to mix and combine them together. Make sure you mix it thoroughly until everything is well mixed, nice and combined together. Then we are going to set it aside. Then we are going to bring out the bread that is already prepared, and we are going to use knife to divide, to cut it at the middle side. Then after cutting it, you are going to open it. You see there's nothing inside, it's empty. All you need is the empty one to add the salad inside. So you have to grab the salad and add it inside one after the other. Just repeat the same process until you are done with it. Your salad pocket bread is ready. I don't even know how to call it, whether it's pocket shawarma bread or it's mini shawarma bread, or the name go well. So don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe, and don't also forget to drop your amazing comment. Come and eat with us, enjoy with me, stay tuned and watch the full video, how I enjoy it, how I eat it. It was so amazing and it was so yummy. I bet you to go and try this food. You like it. The may bless and stay tuned. Bye.
Let's test. It's so nice. Look at the cream, the salad, the meat. Bread alone, that's amazing. Guys, I have made this before, but I make it strazy bread, already made bread, but this I make it from the scratch and that's so amazing. It was so yummy, guys. The bread alone, it was amazing. Top it up with this salad, the meat, the carrot, and the pinch of spices inside. Go and try it, and don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like, and I will see you guys in my next video.